Top 10 talking birds in the world. First of all, African grey parrot. Highly intelligent and skilled in mimicking speech, they can learn hundreds of words and even understand context. Budgerrier boogie. Small but mighty talkers, budgies are known for their ability to pick up a large vocabulary with training. Amazon parrot. With a strong voice and excellent mimicry, Amazon parrots are special birds that love to chat. Indian ring-necked parakeet. These elegant birds are known for their clear speech and ability to mimic full sentences with practice. Eclectus parrot. Friendly and interactive, Eclectus parrot can learn words and phrases, often mimicking their owner's tone. Cockatiel. While not as articulate, cockatiels can whistle tunes and mimic simple words when trained. Quaker parrot. Known for their cheerful personality, quaker parrots can develop an impressive vocabulary over time. Cockatoo. These affectionate birds are excellent at mimicking speech and sounds, often showing off their playful personalities. Hill myna. Renowned for their clear and loud mimicry, hill mynas are natural talkers with a melodious voice. Macaw. Vibrant and vocal, macaws are great at mimicking speech, though they may also mix in plenty of squawks.